Hey YouTubers, apparently I'm like the last person on planet Earth to discover these things. I've been using them the last week or so and they're pretty cool. They're little glass dishes that are like Pyrex, so you can heat them up in the oven or the microwave. And they're a little containerized and you can make really nice lunches. This is nothing special at all. This is just bean soup, some string beans, and this is some vegetable cake made with little mung bean sprouts and chickpeas and carrots and garlic and onions and parsley. This is a very normal, nothing special at all lunch, but put it in the microwave and it just seems like it's presentation is part of the food, and it just makes it look better than it normally is. And this is just average. Imagine if you had something really cool for lunch. So I thought I'd just share this if you haven't been trying this before. Also, you can make your food and prepare it and freeze it. The lid that it comes with has a nice gasket. I feel like Martha Stewart. I don't know this channel. What's happening here? We need to get the welder out. But anyway, it's got a gasket here with an opening so you can let the steam out if you're heating it in the microwave too long. And like I said, you can also freeze this, make up your food ahead of time. So guys, just thought I'd share this real quick video this morning. Nothing special or fancy, just thought I'd let you just in case you didn't know about it. And it's called I guess it's a G-Fit, or I don't know what that letter is. But it's I'll leave a link to it on Amazon, but you might find them cheaper someplace else like eBay or maybe even your local grocery store. Alright guys, hope you're having a good day, and see you out there.